In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the menu and the lock camera to view feature in Blender to optimize your 3D modeling experience. This approach will enhance your workflow and give you greater control over your composition. To get started, you'll want to adjust your viewport to the desired angle at which you'd like your camera to capture the scene. Imagine this as setting the stage from just the right vantage point so that your audience sees exactly what you envision. This is crucial because how you position your camera can really define the narrative or the focus of your 3D project. Once you have your viewport perfectly positioned, you'll need to navigate to the menu bar at the top of Blender. Head over to the View menu, then slide down to Align View, and you'll find the Align Active Camera to View option. Selecting this transforms your current view into the camera's perspective, locking in that perfect shot. It's a bit like telling the camera, this is where I want you to look. Now, if you look at your interface, you might notice a sidebar on the right. If it's not already visible, press the N key to bring it up. This sidebar is a toolbox of sorts, and we'll use it to activate a very handy feature. In the sidebar, navigate to the View tab, where you'll find an option. It's a simple checkbox labeled Lock Camera to View. By turning this on, you essentially link the camera with your current navigation. This means that as you move around in your 3D viewport, using something like the middle mouse button, for instance, you're not only exploring the scene, but also simultaneously adjusting the camera to follow your perspective. It's an efficient way to make sure your camera is always capturing the scene just as you see it. To immerse yourself fully in the camera's view, you can press Numpad 0. This toggles your screen to camera view mode, allowing you to see precisely what your render will look like. It's an invaluable tool for fine-tuning the camera's position and angle. And just as easily, pressing Numpad 0 again will take you out of this mode, back to your standard viewport where you can continue modeling and adjusting. This method of using the Lock Camera to View feature can greatly streamline your workflow, reducing the need for constant readjustments and ensuring your camera's position is just right every time you check in on it. As you become more accustomed to this feature, you'll find that your process becomes more intuitive, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. Whether you're setting up shots for an animation, still render, or even virtual tours, this technique is a game changer that puts you in the director's seat for every scene.